Have you ever wondered where your online community could flourish best? In the buzzing digital age where virtual connections grow stronger every day, two platforms rise to the occasion: Skool and traditional Facebook groups. Each brings its own set of tools and charms to the table, serving everything from educational aims to brand growth to just the joy of connecting people with similar interests. Let's dive deep into the world of Skool and Facebook groups, breaking down their unique features to help you decide which platform is the perfect fit for your community dreams. And by the way, if you would like to sign up to Skool, you can click on my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link doesn't cost you anything extra, and it helps me support the channel. And with that in mind, let's get started. Imagine a place where educators and course creators can truly shine, where every tool and feature is handpicked to nurture learning and growth. That's Skool for you, a haven for those dedicated to crafting educational or coaching communities. It's as if Skool was thoughtfully designed with a deep understanding of what makes learning stick. The platform boasts an inbuilt calendar to keep schedules in check effortlessly, and it's a zone free of distracting ads. This ensures that learners stay laser focused on the task at hand, soaking up knowledge without the buzz of the outside world creeping in. But Skool doesn't stop there. It allows for the space to be customized with your own branding, turning it into a cozy online classroom for everyone. It's like having your own digital school where everything works together perfectly for learning. On the flip side, think of Facebook groups as versatile online communities. It's like a busy place where various conversations and activities happen, from casual catch-ups to serious networking. Its ability to adapt to different situations is strength, supported by Facebook's huge user base. This means your group has the potential to grow, with features that encourage interaction like group chats, polls, and the ability to share files. Facebook groups is like a playground for various community types. Whether you're rallying a group of hobbyists, sparking a movement, or building a network of professionals, Facebook group has the flexibility to mold to your needs, offering a space where connections are made and ideas flourish. Skool stands out by offering a tailored online learning environment. Every feature is designed with a specific purpose, such as live streaming for dynamic lessons and easy-to-use course creation tools. Additionally, it includes a built-in payment system for simplified transactions, making administrative tasks effortless. The user interface is intuitive and straightforward, eliminating the complexity often found in other platforms. In contrast, Facebook groups, while offering many useful features, can sometimes feel overwhelming, akin to navigating a dense forest without a map. This complexity can be daunting for newcomers, making community building feel like a tangled journey of clicks and scrolls. In terms of fostering connections and engagement, both platforms have their own way of building community spirit. Skool encourages deep educational engagement through features like live streaming and discussion forums. It's like gathering around a digital campfire where lessons are shared and discussions flow freely, enriching everyone's understanding and connection. On the other hand, Facebook groups provides a dynamic environment for broader interaction. Its versatile chat and event features are perfect for sparking conversations and bringing people together on various topics. It's a place where the energy of the crowd is exciting and the opportunities for connection are endless. Whether you're focused on education or simply want to gather a community of like-minded individuals, both platforms offer unique ways to create lively and engaged communities. Each platform has its own strengths, and when deciding between Skool and Facebook groups, it depends on your specific needs. Picture Skool as a quiet place dedicated to knowledge growth, free from outside distractions. It's purposely designed to provide a controlled and private learning environment. Educators can feel at ease knowing their content remains ad-free and unaffected by external influences, a rarity online. This sanctuary prioritizes meaningful interactions and protects users from data harvesting, contrasting sharply with the lively but sometimes privacy-compromised atmospheres of Facebook groups, which is subject to the policies of its parent company. For those who breathe life into courses, Skool stands as a beacon of hope. It's not just a platform, it's a partner in the educational journey, providing everything from the ability to host and manage courses to engagement tools that make learning an adventure. Imagine a world where learning is gamified, where students are not just passive receivers of information, but active participants in a quest for knowledge. Skool integrates communication tools seamlessly, ensuring abundant motivation and connection. Additionally, for those interested in monetizing their expertise, Skool provides opportunities through subscriptions and paid courses, supported by marketing tools tailored to attract prospective learners. In contrast, Facebook groups represent a bustling hub of opportunity where networking and visibility are key to growth. This platform is ideal for those seeking to broaden their audience with a user base as extensive as the ocean, ready for exploration. With the option to create and promote groups for free, it serves as an ideal platform for startups and visionaries seeking to establish themselves without significant financial investments. It acts as a springboard for ideas where creativity and active engagement are the only limitations. When considering the fundamental aspects, Skool and Facebook groups offer different approaches. Skool provides a straightforward subscription model where a single fee of $99 unlocks various features tailored for educational content creators, including seamless app integration and specialized video hosting capabilities. It's a hassle-free environment, allowing you to focus on community building without concerns about hidden costs. On the other hand, Facebook groups act as an accessible public space, free for all users, with the option to enhance visibility through targeted ads if you decide to invest in promoting your content. The technological backbone of each platform also sets them apart. Skool's app is a smooth, intuitive extension of its web presence, making mobile management a breeze, while its messaging system and video capabilities speak directly to the needs of educators and learners alike. Facebook groups, with its broader appeal, offers basic functionality that serves a wide array of community types, though it may lack the depth and customization that specialized creators crave. In conclusion, when considering the choice between a Skool group and a Facebook group, it ultimately depends on the specific needs and goals of the community builder. Personally, I use Skool. Skool stands out as the preferred option for those seeking a dedicated educational platform equipped with comprehensive tools and a focused environment, while Facebook Groups offers a vast user base and versatile features, making it suitable for broad reach and diverse community purposes. Skool emerges as the better choice for those prioritizing educational initiatives and community engagements. Each platform provides distinct advantages, requiring alignment with community objectives to make the most suitable selection. And don't forget that if you would like to sign up to Skool, you can use my affiliate link down in the description of this video. Clicking on my link and signing up through it won't cost you anything extra, and you will help me support my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time.